Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 chemistry chapter hydrogen part 5. So first our topic is industrial preparations. Industrial preparations. First is Bosch process. And second is by electrolysis. By electrolysis of water. So, when electric current is passed through acidulated water containing sulfuric acid, it splits into hydrogen and oxygen as shown in the reaction. Reaction is 2H2O inverse gives 2H2 plus O2. The process of electrolysis is carried in an apparatus called Hofmann's voltameter. Hofmann's voltameter. The voltameter is fitted with platinum electrodes, one of which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and is called an anode, and the other is connected to the negative terminal and is called a cathode. The apparatus setup is shown in the figure, and the figure is like this. This is the solution. This shaded region. And these are the parts. These parts are called platinum electrodes. These both parts are called platinum electrodes. Next, this one is hydrogen and this is oxygen. And this is acidulated water. Acidulated water. Acidulated water is poured in the voltameter. Over each electrode, a test tube which is filled with acidulated water is inverted. Electric current is passed through the water via the electrodes. Current enters water through anode and leaves through the cathode, decomposing water into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen gets collected at cathode and oxygen at anode. is by electrolysis of brine. So, in the electrolysis of brine, sodium chloride solution, very pure hydrogen is obtained as a byproduct which is used for the manufacture of sodium hydroxide and chlorine. Solution is NaCl gives Na plus Cl, Na plus Cl minus. This is aqueous solution and this is electric current. The process is by electric current. H2O by heating of electric current gives H plus OH minus. Along with sodium, some amount of hydrogen gas is formed at the cathode. 2H plus 2 electron minus gives H2. And third is natural gas. Natural gas consists of mainly of methane CH4. When natural gas is mixed with steam and passed over nickel and heated to 900 degrees Celsius, methane in it is oxidized to form hydrogen and carbon dioxide. CO2 is removed by pumping the mixture into water. CO2 dissolves in water and hydrogen gas is collected in gas holders and CH4 plus 2H2O gives 4H2 plus CO2. This is nickel, 900 degrees Celsius. This is methane. This is steam. And fourth method is by the catalytic cracking of the higher hydrocarbons. Fifth is by the catalytic cracking of higher hydrocarbons. The catalytic cracking of higher hydrocarbons yields hydrogen. This is used in the large scale preparation of hydrogen and hexane. On catalytic cracking yields benzene and hydrogen. The formula is C6H14 gives C6H6 plus 4H2. This is an hexane this is benzene. I hope you have understood till this part. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8th chemistry. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.